am not. This is who I am. I am not if I don't try to ease the sorrows of those who suffer. They are my sorrows. I'm not unless I am for all the silent